A is for apple. B is for banana. C is for carrot. C is also for corn. C is also for cucumber. C is also for cabbage. E is for eggplant. G is for grapes. J is for jalapeno. L is for lemon. L is also for lettuce. M is for mushroom. O is for orange. P is for peach. P is also for pepper. S is for strawberry. S is for squash. T is for tomato. W is for watermelon. C is for cucumber. M is for mushroom. C is for corn. E is for eggplant. C is for carrot. J is for jalapeno. B is for broccoli. L is for lettuce. C is for cabbage. P is for pepper. A is for apple. S is for squash. P is for peach. B is for banana. T is for tomato. O is for orange. L is for lemon. S is for strawberry. G is for grapes. W is for watermelon.